Hi, this is Mike and I'm going to show you how to set up your IMAP mailbox on Microsoft Outlook. So when you are looking at Microsoft Outlook in a typical view, you should see that there is a file tab at the top left. And when you click on that, you can see an account settings box. Click on that and go down to manage profiles. You'll get a pop-up box like this, and it's warning you whether or not you want this to make changes to your device, and click yes if that appears. You'll get a little box that looks like this. What you need to do now is click on email accounts and click on new, and I'm going to put in manual setup by selecting the second drop down box and then click the next button. Then we're going to click pop or IMAP. Click the next button, and now we're going to start by putting in our name. It doesn't really matter what you put in there, but people will see that. I'm setting up the mailbox Mike at big-rich.com, and it's quite important in my opinion that you select IMAP in that box and then put mail dot and the rest of the domain name of your mailbox. So my mail is mike at and then big-rich.com. So the host for incoming mail server and outgoing will be the domain part with mail dot in front of it. So it's going to be mail.big-rich.com. The outgoing is the same. Okay, and then finally you have to put in a username, which is your email address, and the password. I've pasted that in. And don't tick anything else. Go to more settings, click on outgoing server, tick my outgoing server requires authentication, use the same settings as my incoming server, and then click OK. And all being well, when we click next, the connection will complete successfully. And as I can see here, that did not work. So let's, if that does not work, then click on more settings to advanced, and we might need to fiddle with these port settings. Essentially, I recommend selecting start TLS if possible. Check if that works. And start TLS was successful. The SSL settings and ports can vary depending on your internet service provider. Some providers block certain ports and some do not. Essentially though, the settings I've just showed you should work in most cases. And so there we have it. I've just set up my mic at big-rich.com. I can now close this window, and if I go back to my Outlook, I've now got an inbox and I can start to send new emails from my new email box. Thanks for watching.